Yada say and Samuel Baby Adom TV, Badwam Jumedi, so Yada Apostle Doctor, ni te kote guase, and in Cranshan Sama, or dear Maye, the Edu Sonny a Badwam Cassie, and some near to Joe Mobia, or Bettini, and Rakuma, one Russia Baby film, one bufu, speaker pa, and only sembina no pay Yade Bro, Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, or share live on Facebook, /Adom TV, Extra, Go TV, Air 119, DSTV, 280, Ko YouTuber. Search Adom TV2, kwadomonline.com, and some when you be brain so ya dear guho. We did a fear among qua tamaklo. A fear need the miente said and 70 chimo ete. Enra Kokuma ya warm rushabed your fear moose sorry tia speaker. Ewa dear be our ye of one so one speaker Casano, and our watcher say ye war micro minority. Sa micro never share one word just say chum. Your course warm rushabed your film any.
Mr. Speaker, we find this unacceptable. Mr. Speaker, we seconded, the minority seconded your proposal and the motion for your election. Mr. Speaker, when the so-called majority was even conspiring against you, we protested. We stopped them from that conspiracy. Mr. Speaker, it was us, the minority of conscience. This minority is the conscience of this house. Today, the so-called majority could not get its members to come to the house. 61 of you are absent. Mr. Speaker, we don't accept the description micro-minority. We are minority. Simplicity. Mr. Speaker, please, kindly, Mr. Speaker, describe us as such. We are the minority. We are not micro-minority. I thought of it.
And wachi, Mashibe Jafie Chiame Abon Backben, and so did Yano say at Tuaso.
Please, this is not subject to debate. The minority leader, on behalf of the minority caucus, has objected to my describing their caucus as micro-minority caucus. And that this is a term that is unknown to the rules of the House. He is totally right. Honorable members, I will say that he himself misled me because he himself has used the term micro-minority.
Mabuno be a dear cotton when this Yamanyo Kumun so near near one yeno, just say, Abanyuma who do be to say NIA, NHIA, NSS, Nadmo, New Job in South, NIA, and NSS, woman Beraha locking on near dear, just say, near Koso Hoso any and so cache.
Emabunu bia wonu free National Democratic Congress ND samanyukunum atwo ho agumontene so okofodia aban enwuma hodo bi te se National Identification Authority, National Health Insurance Authority, National Service Scheme, NADMO ene aban enwuma hodo a wompatam ho no aso ye no wonu makotutumu a omakwan ma obia enkoye adwuma ho ye enam so ama omanfo a wonum ekọ ha akwaje muwa no eni aye wontotontoto a wonhu bebia wonfo wani nkire kra emusem panimfo abehwe ma abotoyemu abasa amia ye die nanso wonum oye adwuma ho won abonyo sokra wonum anka wo ba pepem wa wo bi a oba ye yatotomo ni bi ene nsantwerefo kasa ya nsem wo de tu dwa bi ni
Medra ne alo ana mbisa ne se anko bi se on free officer na mti why but they are civil servants and there should be continuum of boni abank now forever on the area of specialization so see mo kra no ya wa adwuma obia and no one should interrupt them. From your demand, I meet me. Me, my demand, is a match. And to be bad, no be a man because of the tuna made and my. Those things should stop. There should be a decorum in the system. But for rule of law, preach for my bicycle, one chichiwanya, Because nobody, Mahama has not instructed them to do that. They should sit up and tell the people to behave. Because if Obiya Najima or Amajima Itianaka say financial loss to the state, the person to find Amba, Ebe Dion Card, or Cornwall Siamba, someone who will to tie energy and financial resources. So those people should be put under check and control. To know some riot in Ghana, because some coughs no could be born. Why are you attacking? And I don't think the president has given directive to say everybody should be locked out. It's political appointees who themselves should know say and yes one question. Now civil servant there, why do you go to NIA office? Obia or Yejuma over Kano. Now the only afford press services is so deprived. They have to do the right thing.
One year Koswo, NDC, Mebunu B. Loki, Abanyatna Yeno, Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana, a Tranitia Seclosa, Cassetia, Senia Kosso and Yamini and Cheye. Now, the young Yakrano were Juma Yafua wanted to buy a fear, ye Pamopam, Womonia Diano, and Cheye, maybe at a set Roman Ridge, Laboni Ridge, Cuckoo Hill, a Yosu, and a cantonment.
On those who are involved. Stop this. This is barbaric. We are not in a jungle. What they are telling us that we should sit, we should not go to work. Because I cannot go to work when my properties have been thrown out and I don't know where I'm going to lay my head. I don't expect me to work. So we are appealing to the IG and the security agencies. Please call them to order. There's law and order in this country. You cannot just do this. This is the first time some of us are experiencing something like this. It's never been like this. They are thugs. They are thieves. And they must be brought to book. And it's the responsibility of the police to protect them. Right. That's the thing. That's their responsibility. But there's something wrong. But this thing has been going on since Friday night. By this time, they should have cordoned off these areas, giving them police protection. But so far, nothing has been done. Plus, we were left with no other option than to advise ourselves accordingly if the matter is not addressed decisively. Moreover, we are hereby calling on the responsible authorities to conduct a thorough investigation into the state of all government properties and stem the tide. We wish to inform all affected civil servants to remain resolute while CLOSA collaborates with the appropriate authorities to resolve the matter as soon as possible. Thank you.
And a Vice President, Dema World Bank, in charge of West and Central Africa, and in Penophobia Ba, Abemaya Mampeni, John Dramani Mahama, Amo.
Not part of financing the economy, do also their part. I think this is an area where we have some experience and some expertise, in particular in African countries as well, because this challenge that Ghana is facing in that area is the same challenge that we do see in Senegal, in Kenya, etc., etc. So happy to bring our department working in that area into the conversation with Ghana and see how we can really widen the resource basis in making sure that the domestic resource mobilization part of financing the economy also increase.
Mampeni John Dramani Mahama enso de tudwa se bra obeso abenwa mu a abetena konya so yi enima bi a wabehunu no amane ye machine yi pa na enso enya de a wona bembebu wo mbekoso a aye adwuma se ne be ya bosha wo hye wo mangana fo se obeboa ama won sikasam agina brane na afi won mo ye nwuma nso anya ho mfaso no otumi ahwe ediso.
It matters most, and we've done that successfully. The transition has taken place. It's been smooth, it's been cordial, but there are a few surprises that have come up in respect of the energy sector, in respect of, some aspects of government's decisions and things over the last several years. But I think that Ghana has the human resources to be able to deal with the situation and turn things around as quickly as possible. I use the word we need a reset. We need to reset this country and put it back on track in terms of economic stability, in terms of governance, and to be able to create jobs for young people, empower women, and also eliminate poverty. So these are some of the priority things we have. And to be able to do this, we must increase investment, we must open Ghana for business again, like I said, and create an atmosphere where people see Ghana as a favorite destination for doing business.
It was so Diana Public Relations Officer Mazum Lion Ghana Limited and there's Morgan Aqua. And then one in a Juma 4 Aqua Blaster Square. Bia Mampeni Esha, if you know home, proper Hodina to be Bia Sabeya. Ever say Jan and also said the net here Candeno. Cassiano, Amani Bonnie Prince who says you do not call her. It was
and I'm telling you, there, would you say a household name? Inti Ghana yet to a baby, ye who there, ye man painful for what shed that day was very inauguration. A one and answer started there. Yet the Yana Mbois, yes, a woman by ensuring there, ye clean baby. Inti before proud to this program yesterday, no. Ye call round because a sour and here Google Kwan in Chan, ye painty, ye did your flowers kakra. Na ye de flags. Ye de for fun, be red, gold, green tea if a chrome who there. Chrome in I come because of the inauguration. Now ended that inauguration, no, we brought over 150 workers. 50 of them were in the inner perimeter, then 100 were outside. And a washer was so now ye provided bins ended that. At various points, say obi in red aza or in red ekogum. Na ama in red obegu fumono, no do shark kakra. Na unfortunately, an hour after the program, we realized that I want to watch an azina, in Kofu Bebre, no munsu, no water to Wunti, a hangina ye fipa papa. And as the giant in waste management in ye into Mentsinaho, Yankade.
Bidding at the Prince Owusu Esiedu, Adom News.
Yeah, no, so Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, and I had a Bema coin and a pay DSC. So, Danny, oh dear, and many other dear with the Maya, rather from Comrasum Jim Nemum, was one any and now of Facebook /Adom TV Extra, and I say YouTube, Adom TV too. Your Quabas is here, Yenche, the one cratani biaba, online, dear no so, yeah, they are twasso, train.